In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Yahoo Mail by sender. We'll do this using the web version of Yahoo Mail on a desktop browser, and I'll walk you through exactly where to click so you can quickly group messages by who sent them. Start by opening Yahoo Mail in your browser and signing in. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at your inbox. If you see another folder selected, switch to Inbox first. Click anywhere inside the message list to make sure the toolbar for your emails is active. This just helps the interface show the options you need. Now, look toward the top of the message list for a sort by dropdown. It usually sits above your emails, often near the right side, and it might currently say something like Date if that's your default sorting. Click the Sort by dropdown, and from the list of options, choose Sender Name. As soon as you select this, your inbox will reorganize so messages are grouped alphabetically by who sent them. This is especially handy when you want to scan all emails from a particular company, service, or contact without searching. If you see the sender name option, you're all set. You can scroll to the letter you need and quickly find every message from that sender. Keep in mind, this is a viewing preference, so it only changes how your emails appear to you on the web. You're not moving or deleting anything. If you don't see sender name in the sort by dropdown, there's a quick fix. Yahoo Mail's conversation view can sometimes limit the sorting choices. To adjust this, click the settings gear in the top right, then choose More Settings. On the left, open Viewing Email and find the setting labeled Group by Conversation. Turn that off. This switches your inbox from threaded conversations to individual messages, which also unlocks more sorting options. Head back to your inbox and open the Sort by dropdown again. You should now see Sender Name available. Select it, and your emails will list by sender alphabetically. If your mailbox is large, give it a second to refresh. The change should apply right away. That's all there is to it. By using the Sort by menu, and if needed, turning off Conversation View, you can quickly organize Yahoo Mail by sender and zero in on exactly the messages you're looking for. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more efficient inbox.